everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. So now with this video I'm going to share another 25 questions along with 10 unsolved questions. So feel free to pause the video and look at the questions with answers. So before I continue, please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel to watch every video that I'm going to post pretty much every single day. So let's start. Alright, so the very first slide will provide you all the answers to my previous videos unsolved question. So please compare your answers by pausing this video. Moving to the next slide. And moving to the next slide. Alright, so the very last slide will always show you the 10 unsolved questions, so spend some time and try finding answers to these. So in my next video, I will share the answers to all of the 10 questions that I have added here. So this is the end of the video. So again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all these important questions and answers for your exam. Bye for now.